who is most gracious and merciful. Honorable Chief Guest, respected teachers, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum.
Waalaikum.
I feel proud to represent my school, getting a chance by delivering the speech, having an important topic. The future depends on what we do today. Respected sir, the given topic future depends on what we do today is a famous saying of Mahatma Gandhi. He elaborates that the human being is the most important part of the society. Society is structured with definite responsibilities and duties. Whether we think them human or natural duties, given from man or God, for the sake of the future. Specific roles and duties are assigned to men and women, and as each have equal standing in the light of gender equity. The duties of man are performed by men for the general good of society in which he is living today. Respected sir, if we want to get success in the future, we must have to do good in the world where we live. We need a real man. This real man is supposed to fulfill all the performances. I believe that the real man comes from the word of the Creator, Allah of the man himself, and was put into practice by a man who is without doubt the epitome of the real man, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear friends, for the sake of the secure future, society must prepare its people according to the given requirements as written in Holy Quran. A real man needs to think of past to have an eye on the future. That's right. Just like how much your stomach needs to be fed regularly with food, your mind needs to be fed regularly with knowledge. There is in quite few ways to attain knowledge of different things, but a surefire way for it to stick in your brain is through reading. Honorable Chief Guest, a real man must be gentle but firm in the belief and activity. A real man knows that he is a man who is intellect, not an animal. He knows the importance of his friend working with him, knows the importance of his family with whom he is living, and the relative with whom he is self-directed, knows the importance of his colleagues working with him. Respected sir, at last I would like to end my speech. That future depends on what he does today. The real figure of the society is a real man. A real man does not backbite for the sake of the secure future. A real man keeps his promises for the sake of the good future. A real man respects all the women for the sake of the good future. A real man keeps his own house for the sake of the good future. A real man handles his own money for the sake of the good future. And a real man knows that he is being tested for the sake of the good future. Thank you very much.